Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, let's explore the 2025 Honda XRM 125, a versatile two-wheeler that blends durability, style, and daily practicality. Design and variants. The XRM 125 comes in three exciting variants: the Dual Sport Extreme, DSX, the Dual Sport, DS, and the Modded. Each has its own unique styling, from rugged off-road looks with wire-spoke wheels to sporty alloy rims for street performance. Color options include rust white, fighting red, black, aura blue, and sleek all black for the Modded. Engine and performance. Powering the XRM 125 is a 125 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, 4-stroke SOHC engine with Honda's PGM-FI fuel injection. It delivers around 9.5 horsepower and 9.55 Newton-meters of torque, perfect for city rides and light off-road trails. The 4-speed rotary manual gearbox keeps riding smooth, whether you're in traffic or cruising through open roads. Fuel efficiency. One of its biggest strengths is fuel economy, offering up to 66 kilometers per liter depending on the variant. That means more riding and less refueling. Comfort and handling. A seat height of around 775 millimeters and curb weight near 102 kilograms make it light and easy to handle. The ground clearance of 145 millimeters gives it an edge on rough roads. Brakes and safety. The DSX and Modded variants get disc brakes on both ends for confident stopping, while the DS version combines a front disc with a rear drum for balanced performance. Practical features. You also get a fully digital meter panel, electric start with kick backup, and durable underbone frame design, making it a reliable partner for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda XRM 125 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a multi-role machine, capable of handling city streets, rural roads, and even light off-road paths. Stylish, efficient, and tough, this bike is built for riders who want versatility in every ride. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider, more amazing bike reviews.